Well, finally an update, guys. I got the freeze plug and I got the freeze plug in. Holy crap. That took just over a month to get and just over 5 minutes to install. Let's get this thing back together. Alright, we're gonna run. Is this even recording? Hell yeah, it is. Alright. We're gonna run the jumpers in the jump box. And I don't see why that wouldn't become power, so. Come on, baby.
No.
Because I'll turn the jump box on.
No. No. No.
So I know for you guys it hasn't been like 45 minutes, but it has for me, and this stupid car won't start. I'm really tired of it. I think it has like some sort of starter contact issues, and I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it just gets nothing, and then one. Oh my god. Ready for this car to leave? What's really annoying is that I started this car in the garage to park it out here. And for the life of me, I can't get it started. I didn't even use the jumper cables off of another vehicle. I just used the jump box just like this. But it is like 33, 34 degrees outside. I'm sure that doesn't help, but Jesus Christ, come on.